What do you get when you pair world-class manufacturing resources with the highest American consumer expectations? You get to ride without compromise. From our 1.6 million square foot factory in Hangzhou, China, to our centrally located distribution center in Kansas City, Missouri, to our 50,000 square foot headquarters in Minneapolis, Minnesota, CFmoto USA brings products, parts, service, and value that simply can't be beat. When you buy a CFmoto, the list of standard features reads like an accessories catalog. The price you pay reads like a bargain. We got our start some 30 years ago as a major supplier of engines, parts, and components for the up-and-coming off-road vehicle industry. Today, we manufacture and deliver over 300,000 vehicles a year. A decade ago, we entered the U.S. market and have since built a robust dealer network supported by class-leading on-site warranty and technical support. We also manufacture and distribute motorcycles, boats, garments, and accessories to many parts of the world. Our global distribution network has grown too, with more than 2,000 dealers in over 70 countries. From the beginning, CFmoto has invested in the right resources: extensive R&D facilities and product testing, state-of-the-art manufacturing plants with the latest technology in machining, engine assembly, paint lines, robotics, and logistics. Along the way, widespread demand for what we do has led to partnerships with some of the world's most respected motorcycle and scooter brands, leading to our evolution into the manufacturer of some of the world's most capable off-road vehicles to ever roll off an assembly line. Ride without compromise. It's not just a promise, it's a commitment we honor. You want a high-quality, feature-packed machine at a price you can afford, and you want top-notch service and support when you need it. Now, you can have it. CFmoto, the best-kept dirty little secret out there, but not for long.